Finance is a study of management, movement of raising of money. It is a tool that can help us be a better decision makers. Finance serves as a backbone for effective management within the business organization. Finance function rules include the controller, responsible for financial report and overseeing accounting activities, monitor and implement day-by-day financial operations. Treasurer, the main function is to monitor the cash flow. The vice president of finance act as a mentor and puts together a team so that can create timely and precise complete reports. The chief financial officer responsible for overall financial health of the organization. In financial planning, forecasting and budgeting, experts expert are needed because inexperienced people had a higher chance to make to making mistakes which can detrimental to a business. The active and timely financial data plays a crucial role in both internal and external analysis of the business firm, such as financial statements serve as a fundamental source of data, initial and decisions making purposes. The vital reports include income statement, the summary of revenue, expenses over the specified period, the cash flow statement, actual inflow and outflow cash during the given period. The balance sheet uh, exhibit that the current asset liabilities and equity as of the specific date. For most common forms of business organization, the sole proprietorship owned by the single individual. The partnership owned by the two more individuals. The corporations, a legal entity established under the state laws and operate independently from owner and managers. The hybrid, limited liabilities companies and limited liability partnership. In microeconomics, focus on individual business, while the macroeconomics focus on the economy as a whole. The variable microeconomics include the supply, demand, and equilibrium point. There are the economics concepts that describe the relationship between the quantity of the product or a service in the produce and the quantity that consumers want to buy, an equilibrium point where the system statement remain independently. The variable of the macroeconomics that measure the state and the economy predicts in the future, identify the potential risks like inflation, the rate of increased price over a given period of time, the employment presence individual that are jobless, activity, searching for a job, the gross domestic product, total output of all goods and service within the country over the specific period of time. Thank you.